Hello everyone, welcome here at SAP Sapphire 2025. I'm here with Pia Charron. Pia Charron has implemented SAP in her company based in Canada, and she has a lot to share with us about what worked, what didn't work, why she did that. And we'll talk as well about AI, artificial intelligence, how you use it to deliver value. Pia, thank you for having us, for having this time with us.
Thank you for having me.
It's our pleasure. And can you tell us about you, the transformation that you started in your company? What were your goal, your vision?
Yeah, I'm working at Intersand. Intersand is a company that is specialized in animal product, hygiene animal product. And we are selling in over 63 countries. So we are in expansion, growing fast. And my role is to help them, making sure that they are doing and taking the right choices regarding technology and building a strong foundation to be able to grow and to be scalable as a company, because the market is evolving so fast. We need to be prepared for the challenge that are awaiting us around the corner. So this is what I'm doing at Intersand. I'm the Senior Director of Business Transformation.
Excellent. Intersand, just in a few words, how many people, how big are you, and tell us about the activity. Your industry is very special.
Yeah, it's a niche type of enterprise. Mm-hmm. Our headquarters are in Quebec, in Boucherville, and we are specialized. Our main product is cat litter. We have several patterns. We do a lot of research and development, innovation. This is why our product is so good and so different from the competition. And it's very important for us to be able to have a sustainability take away on that product too. Okay. So we are about 250 employees. Mm-hmm. We have plant in the US, we have plant in Canada, and like I was saying before, we are shipping in more than 60 countries.
Okay.
So,
wow. Okay, that's exciting.
Yeah, that's really exciting.
Thanks for sharing the vision. Now you know who you are as well, and it's very interesting. This activity, your industry is very special, and
it's special.
And I understand your passion behind that, which is around sustainability. And I think it's part of the metrics. I think you will want to.
Yeah. Taking care of the pets, sustainability, and also we are a platinum member of the Canada Best Managed enterprise.
Okay.
So this is why for us it's very important to have a structure, technology structure, to support what we are doing and what we want to achieve. We want to make sure that we are doing the things the right way, and making sure that we are interacting and engaging with our customer the right way. So this is why technology like SAP technology was appealing to us, because it's offer a full global ecosystem of different modules that you can add on, and you can go do it at your own pace. And that was interesting for a medium-sized company to be able to say, hey, I'm going to get SAP, I'm going to go with it like a big one, I'm able to implement that software, and it will grow with me, I will be able to add some module, add some depth in what I'm doing. So with a specialty like we have, like cat litter, it fits, it fits the bill. We are able to do our process in it. We are able to see the future and growing it. So that was, I think a great choice that what we made with SAP.
Okay, excellent. What has been your transformation journey like? How did you start it, and and where are you today?
Yeah, we decided before SAP, we can call that the before SAP.
Yes, okay.
The before SAP time was kind of a struggle, because we have several systems, different type of technology. They didn't communicate well together. We were struggling because at some point we knew that we'll have maximum capability of the system and we'll attain that, and it would refrain our capacity to grow. Yes. So this is where we decided to welcome a new employee, like a colleague.
Okay.
We onboard SAP.
Okay.
And we look at SAP like a new colleague. When you hire somebody, it comes with experience. It comes with, a box with full of tools and full of, learnings that they did, the journey that they did, experience. So you have to welcome it and make sure that you use that at your own advantage. But you also want the system or the new employee to understand your culture. So it a bit look like you,
Yes.
So this is how we approach our journey with SAP. We onboard a new colleague, which was SAP. We even called it Savannah.
You gave a name.
Yeah,
That's
like
nice.
the cat Savannah, it was a thing, And so we decided to name it Savannah. It is our new colleague. So we accepted, and this is why we have kind of a lean core, a clean core. It's because we didn't want to over customize the thing. We welcome it as is. We say, okay, yes, we do have some tweaking to do, but that's okay, And this is why it did change the way we're doing things for the good. Mm-hmm. We did have some obstacle to go through and challenges, because it's all about people accepting the new colleague.
Yes.
So you need to be careful on how you do it. You need to be careful how you present the new colleague and how you make sure people understand the capability of the new colleague.
Yes.
So this is how we approach it. It was a very successful transformation. We are really happy with it. And we really think that it will stay a long time with us. So we don't plan to onboard it.
Yes. Very good. No, I love this analogy, because that really makes it simple to understand and simple to see how you might have gone through this journey.
Yeah, and we did have to do that because of it's public cloud that we have. So you cannot customize as it was on-prem or other type.
Okay.
So this is why when you made that choice, you need to see it as a new colleague.
Yes.
You cannot change the person you just hired.
Okay. Yeah.
You need to accept the person.
Yes.
Yes, you can share the culture, and share values, culture, mission, vision, but you need to maintain the integrity of the person you just hired. So it's the same thing with the system.
Makes
the
sense.
same thing.
Makes sense. So you've implemented the SAP in the cloud. How are you doing now with all the artificial intelligence that is possible to work on this platform? Have you already started? Where are you in that?
Everybody as Intersand is very excited about AI, maybe too much.
Okay.
We need to refrain because everybody wants AI everywhere. We just need to make sure that we are doing it the right way. Artificial intelligence is a good thing. It's there to stay.
Yes.
It's